Hi. Now, today we will going to create a sales return scenario where the disposition code is replace and scrap. So let's create a sales order very quickly. I go to AR, all sales orders, new, the customer, warehouse, pick item. Okay, so we'll be selling this item one each, and the price is $1,000. So let's see the on hand of this item. So I go to the release products. This is the item. Go to on hand. For warehouse 20, for warehouse 24, the physical inventory is 999. Okay, so let's keep it open and let's do quickly save it. Post the packing slip. Okay, yes. Close this. So packing slip is posted. So let's go. So basically we send one each to the customer. So if refresh it, so it should be 998. I'm sorry, let's go back and then go back it. So it's 998. So it's updated. Okay. So let's do the invoice as well. Okay. Okay. And the order is 125. Okay. Somehow the customer is returning that item. So the customer called and we accepted to get the return. So I go to sales and marketing and all return orders. I click new. Customer is calling, so I know the customer. So I enter that customer, and customer is sharing or somehow able to get that the customer bought from warehouse 24. And I'm saying, okay, let's find the sales order. So if we like it's 25. If I go to the other tab, so it's the 125. So we select this. Customer is returning this item. I say okay. Line is added. Let's pick the like if I click this return order, let's see what we see. So we will be sending this document to the customer requesting to return the item by this date. And customer is returning this item. So when we receive that at the warehouse, but I'm not using the app, so I'm doing the receiving here. So I'm going to register it. So customer sent that back. So I'm adding the disposition code. So I'm using this replace and scrap. So the item was badly damaged and customer is complaining and we cannot sell that item to another customer or we can repair it and sell it. So we're going to scrap that item. So I'm using this disposition code. Saying okay. Add the registration. I'm confirming it. So it's registered. So we will receive that item. And if you see in the send, we see the like acknowledgement as well now. So if I click this, okay, we can send this letter to the customer that we received that item. Okay, so let's create a return order. So if I go to the replacement order, so if I click this, I can select the quantity from site 2, right? So you see the replacement order is not created, even if I save and refresh it, nothing. So we need to do this post the packing step. Let's enter some number. You can think like sales return is as similar as you buying as we purchasing. So in the warehouse, it's almost the same process. So at this time, you see the replacement order is created. So let's see the on hand. So if I refresh this, so one item is being received. So it's it before it was 998, so it's 999. So it looks like the item is not being scrapped. So let's go to the this was the sales order. This is the return order. So let's go to the return order now. We did the packing slip. Let's do the invoice. Okay. Okay. The invoice is done. So let's come back and then see again. So you see like this number is reduced by 1. So let's go to the transactions. So then you will see there the system created a quarantine order. Before it was 179. I did just to do it one time before this demo. So this time the system created the quarantine order. So the item which we received from the customer will be put in the quarantine warehouse where the quality team will be inspecting and testing. And if it's like scrap, that will be scrapped. So that's the process I was interested to explain and show. And the other process is if we go to the header. So the other process is this was the order. So replacement order, it's a similar thing. So we can go back. This is the replacement order. So we can go to this replacement order and then do the picking and then shipping and then invoicing. It's a normal standard standalone process which we can do, and we know how to do that. We did that at the beginning. Thanks for watching. Bye.